Understanding credit repair agencies, services, benefits, and choosing wisely. A credit repair agency aims to improve your credit score by addressing inaccuracies. These agencies dispute errors on your report and negotiate with creditors for better terms. Credit repair services include credit counseling to help you manage debts effectively. While beneficial, be aware of potential risks like hidden fees or false promises. Choose a reputable agency by checking reviews and ensuring they follow legal guidelines. For more insightful tips, subscribe to our channel today.